All right, my friends, we actually have a little bit of a development with AI generative content with Amazon. Today, Yahoo News actually posted an article that Amazon is encouraging sellers to use AI generated product listing. Now, I do think there might be a difference here in this article, but it's very cool that Amazon's actually acknowledging the use of AI in products, right? So the reporter says the company wants to simplify the process to a step one. And they're actually launching a new tool to generate product listing for sellers. We don't know all the details or if it's going to be carried across to KDP. What we do know is the feature uses a large language model. They're calling it the LLM. They're training it on tons of data. That's what AI is, right? It's aggregating so much information and bringing it together. They're doing this themselves, launching this tool to make it faster and simple to describe products. So they're really doing this for the customer in mind. And I thought this was really interesting. Okay. So Amazon says that the generative listing content tool only requires sellers to provide a brief product description and a few words or sentences, and then it will generate high quality content for their review. This is interesting because I always talk about like speaking to the pain points of the customer, and I wonder if Amazon's going to be able to do that with their GLC, right? Their generative listing content tool. Okay, part of this is that they're going to include titles, product description, bullet points, which is what we've all been doing for our books, okay, which sellers can peruse before refining or submitting. Okay, so you can decide what you're going to use when it generates. Okay, and they know this because people have already been using the tools, and so they rolled out a beta. Says the company says many sellers have already tested the tool during the last couple months, and the feedback indicates most of them use the generative content directly without revisions. Because why would they, right? Why would they change things when Amazon's making it so easy? The new capabilities will help sellers create high quality listings with less effort and present customers with more complete, consistent, and engaging product information that will enhance their shopping experience. Amazon VP Mary Beth, bless her heart, Westmoreland, wrote an announcement blog post. Something else is interesting today, as of September 13th. Your Chic Geek, she told me that it seems like Amazon's only letting KDP publishers upload like 3 books a day, which is still like 84 books a month. But that's something kind of coming out that like Amazon's kind of putting the smackdown on spammers. So if you're uploading 200 books in 30 days, like you need to slow down. And there's just so many better ways to do it, right? To create quality books. Okay. I digress. Okay. So Amazon says with our generative AI model, we can infer, improve, and enrich product knowledge at an unprecedented scale. Something really interesting about this is the evolution of AI and what products can be born out of taking customer data together, right? Like this is going to describe certain things about it, and that information can help you build a better product, which I think is really interesting. Okay. So it is it's saying that it can give good specifications for a type of product. Here they're talking about the style of a collar of a shirt, right? Or a table. So there's an interesting spot here. Let's see, the new tool joins Amazon's AI generative review summaries launched earlier this summer. So we kind of have known that Amazon has been working on AI content. And let's just get a little bit more info because it's not really telling us that much about what it means for us on KDP. Okay. So this is really cool though. This is talking about clickable keywords. You can see in this example that perhaps this will carry over into notebooks and people will be able to look composition notebook or other things like that. So really taking your keyword research seriously is a great thing to do. And this article is only just 31 days old, okay? So this is actually really cool. So it's going to launch a subset of mobile shoppers, and they're going to put the feature you can see here from the photo of using AI and with keywords that come up. So this is going to be another cool thing for keyword research for self-publishers. Like, what are the words that people are just tapping on? Okay. So they're testing out AI powered summarization tool. Okay, so that's very cool. Just because of the potential of data. When you have more data, you can make better decisions. I want you to just remember that. And that's why the only reason I've been successful with KDP is keywords are data. That's why I love Amazon ads so much, book ads, because it's data. Data helps you with decisions, okay? So this is interesting. So the AI powered version, kind of like critics, consensus, audiences say, and so it's really giving the customer just a better experience. Okay. All right. So the summary, it's followed by a clickable tag showcasing relevant themes and common words from customer reviews. So that's a reminder about how important it is to have customer reviews. It's similar to an existing keyword feature in the company's review. Clicking on one will bounce you to full reviews addressing the chosen theme. Okay. And the elephant in the room is Amazon's reputation with fake reviews. Although the retailer says it's proactively blocked over 200 million suspected fake reviews from 2022. Oh, that's so bad. It means, they're working on it. They're working on it. How can they decipher AI powered fake reviews or not? Okay. So says that they're going to release a tool for verified purchases, which is an important part of reviews. Okay. So, anyways, I just want to share this with you that Amazon is recognizing AI in the in on its platform. We don't know exactly what it means for KDP, but I mean, here they're rolling it out for sellers. So I think that's a huge benefit. Let me know what questions you have about AI generative. Some of you have asked for maybe some tutorials on using AI assisted. And I need to pull up an example of one that I did a couple months ago that I was really happy with. I just want to show you the before and after. So thank you for pressing play on this video. If there's similar videos that you would like, please subscribe. You'll see them. I have over 500, and I'm so grateful that you're here. Love you. Peace out.